Welcome, folks! You're in Elizabeth, New Jersey and our surrounding areas, where our community's resilience is a shining beacon against the backdrop of East Coast weather's challenges. Here, we're seasoned veterans when it comes to nature's fury. Powerful hurricanes, relentless nor'easters, heavy snowstorms, our homes have seen it all. One of the common adversaries faced by homeowners in Elizabeth and nearby areas? Roof damage from these severe weather events. Over time, this foe can escalate, causing leaks, structural issues, and compromised safety. But fear not, help is just a dial away. Reach out to 877-839-7086 to connect with skilled professionals specializing in roof repair and replacement. Don't let weather damage wreak havoc on your home. Safeguard your investment, ensure your family's safety by addressing roof issues promptly. For expert roof repair and replacement services in Elizabeth, New Jersey and surrounding areas, dial 877-839-7086 today. It's your first step towards a safer, more secure home.